In today's video, we'll explore how to align the taskbar and start button and menu to the left in Windows 11. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up the Settings app. Open the Start menu and navigate to Settings. On the left, you'll need to click on Personalization. Then, scroll down and navigate to the Taskbar section. You'll then need to go down to the bottom of this section and select Taskbar Behaviors. From here, navigate to the Taskbar Alignment section and choose Left. As you can see, this moves the taskbar icons and Start button to the left, giving you the more traditional look and feel of Windows 10. See, when clicking the Start button, the menu now aligns towards the left. If you decide you don't like this and want to change back, then select Center from the Taskbar Behaviors, which is the default selection. And there you have it. You now know how to align the taskbar to the left in Windows 11 with a few simple clicks. I hope you have found this video informative, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for future tips and tricks. See you in the next one.